Unique facts about the hyacinth macaw bird. Largest macaw species. The hyacinth macaw is the largest species of macaw with a wingspan of up to 4 feet 120 cm and about 3.3 feet 100 centimeters long. Long life. In the wild, they can live up to 30 to 40 years, whereas in captivity they can reach up to 60 years. Very clever. The hyacinth macaw is known for its intelligence and ability to learn tricks and imitate human speech. Impressive vocalizations. The hyacinth macaw can still produce impressive vocalizations, including chirps, screams, and fights. Nesting habits. Hyacinth macaws nest in tree cavities, using their strong beaks to create nesting sites. They usually raise only 1 or 2 chicks at a time.